I like trains.
And here comes Mark 848. $800 max right there for Southwest as well. This Mark train should be switching tracks. I think. I actually don't know if it is or not. I have no clue. Its ditch lights are out. Is it switching? Oh yeah, it is. Why is it stopping back here? What the heck? I'm good. Oh. It's not stopping at all. There's a Spirit Airlines. Look at that. Spirit Airlines. Don't get too distracted. I guess no one stopped. Oh, wait. Oh. I think it stopped for me, actually. It was confused. Maybe it was thinking I was getting on a train. So, that's what that was. It thought I was getting on. I'm not, Mark. I'm not getting on. People are definitely getting off this thing now. Still waiting. Huh. Oh wow. Another plane. Oh, of course. Yeah, there are people getting off the Mark train. Oh, shoot. Old Southwest right over ahead. I'm trying to put any passengers in this thing. I'm not putting it in. Mark 848 and a lot of people must be still waiting. I think it's very early, that's why it's waiting here. I think it's about to leave. Yep, looks like it. I think they're just releasing all the air brakes. I'm pretty sure. Damn. Sorry if you don't like that word. Oh, the guy behind me works for Mark, I guess. There's another airplane. Sorry for the long video, but this thing's still not leaving yet. I think they were switching engineers or something. I really don't know. I mean, they can afford to sit here a while because it's early. I think they're switching engineers, but there could be another problem, so I don't know why it's still here. It's probably just because it's that early. I mean, it was originally scheduled to be here like 4:20, and it got here at 4:11. or earlier than that, so it's probably just waiting. Again, sorry for the very long video for just a Marc train, but it's all good. At least you guys got to see some planes. And I think there's one right over our head. Well, there is. I think it's an 800 for Southwest. There's a clear up here and a clear down there.
Marc is still stuck.
This isn't going to be good.
67.
There's a 767 about to go overhead. So I guess it's just an airplane. Oh yeah, that thing is big.
Hold up, let me film.
It's another ABX Air. So I guess this is a Marc train with a lot of airplanes as it waits or something like that. I don't know. Another big plane. I tell you what, I don't know what's going on. And this Marc train is still sitting here. And again, problem. It's green signal down there. Green signal right here. I don't know. Sorry for the long video, but stay tuned and hopefully there are more airplanes. I think it's coming back this way.
What?
This Marc train.
Oh, come on.
I'm pretty sure because it just got the red over there. I think this thing's about to go this way. Okay, so here's the situation. So Dorsey is actually the terminal for this train, and it actually is going to go back that way. That's why the signal down there is red. So this is going to be leaving back to DC in about 20-25 minutes. So it was Marc 848, I think, and now it's turned back into I have no idea. I'll tell you. I'll just wait. So this thing turns around, or not turns around. No wonder the MP36 didn't have the schedule. Just wait. So this is going to be going back to DC, and this is the end of the video, by the way. Marc 855. So this is turning into Marc 855, and 25 minutes is going to leave, and I hope you guys stay tuned for more and enjoy. There goes Southwest to end this long video. Sorry about that, but again, got to see some plane action as well.